Hi everyone, this is just a quick little tutorial on how to sign up for Nhs Tutoring if you're a student. So what you're going to want to do is get to the Cornwall Schools website, click on the Cornwall Central High School tab, go to Students, and then National Honor Society, and this will bring you to the NHS webpage. You're going to want to scroll down to the Tutoring section, click on this hyperlink, and that's going to bring you to a Google Calendar. So what you're going to want to do first is double check that you're signed in under your school account. So it should say your school email up here in the upper right hand corner. If it says a different email, just click sign out and sign in with your school account. So then once that's all taken care of, you're going to see all these tutoring blocks here. Tutoring runs basically all day Monday and then after school on Tuesday to Friday. So what you're going to want to do is click on the block that best fits your schedules. Let's say I want it to be tutored on Thursday at 4. I'd click on this block. It's going to open this tab right here. And under the what line right here, I'm going to add my subject that I want to be tutored in. So like, let's say biology. And then I'm going to add what topic in biology. So let's say the nervous system, just for an example. Close out parenthesis. And then that's all set. You're going to want to check the when tab, double check when and who. Virtual, this tab right here doesn't matter. And then you're going to click save. And that's going to book your tutoring appointment. And this just confirms it. And if you notice, that tab's now gone because you signed up for that time. And when it comes time for your tutoring session, you're going to want to go to your Google Calendar. So just type in calendar into Google. Click on Google Calendar. It's going to bring up your specific calendar. So you might see some of your Google Classroom assignments on here. What you're going to want to do is go to the date you scheduled yourself for tutoring. So I scheduled myself for the 5th at 4. I'm going to click on that tab, and right here is the Meet link. And you would just click on that link, and at 4 o'clock, my tutor would join me, and I will be able to start tutoring. So that's it. It's very simple, but I just thought I'd make this video to make the process simple and answer any questions people might have. Thanks for listening. Good luck.